All right, we just finished shooting 2 days of content here at Thrive Courses. This has been crazy, awesome, and exciting. I can't even tell you how much content we got knocked out in 2 days. Everything, all the preparation that's come to this point, all the work, all the encouragement from the Thrive team has been so helpful for us to really maximize this time. We are at, it looks like, almost a total of 8 hours non-stop shooting over the course of a 16-hour work period. We're all exhausted, but man, do we have the most bomb course ready for my whole audience. Today I trained up a whole sales team on how to sell, how to be effective, and thanks to the Thrive team, it went out without a hitch. We literally got through the entire outline and had time to spare to even shoot some bonus content that's gonna be that much more helpful for the team. If you're evaluating or you're wondering, is this the right fit for me? Just be prepared to lock in, get it done, and start generating a lot of income from your course because this is phenomenal. This is the best decision I've made over the last 6 months. I strongly encourage you to go forward. If you want, hit me up. My name is Josh Harkis. I've written books, I've run sales teams, and you need to work with partners like this to really scale what you're doing. So if you're on the fence, you're thinking about it, if you're wondering if the time is now, just get ready to work, get the stuff done, and create that amazing course that's going to provide so much value to all of your future attendees.